Dude. We got a 40-year-old grown-ass man talking about he wants me to gut him. The fuck, dude? Lol, dude. Get a little frisky in the midnight TCM. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, is this guy just a god at TCM or what's going on here? Holy shit. This guy's gonna carry me every game. Damn, that sucks. Ripperoni. Wait, you literally just have only scout. Wait, what the hell? He's zooming. Wait, that's actually insane. What the hell? What is this Leatherface? What is this Leatherface, bro? See, this is why I have been getting humbled lately. I thought I was a pretty good TCM player, but then I'm playing with these people, and I'm just like, these guys are insane. Oh, he's fighting, he's fighting. There's two of them. There's another one behind Cook. I'm gonna go chase the Julie. Get my stamina back. Oh, wait, I hit her, I hit her. Julie's coming back to the middle. She's running around the outside of this holding pin. Yeah, she's going to the back of the holding pin. Oh, she came in the back. Oh my god, dude. Dude, if you have a good BUBBA player on your team, that's just GG, bro. Leyland's on me, he's bleeding out. Okay, I'll execute him. I was gonna let you hook him, but you're killing someone else. Oh, watch this execute. This is the execute, number 4. And then watch him. Dude, that's such a crazy execute. Holy crap, GG. These guys are better than last game. I'm scared. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Help. I want to kill them, dude. I gotta set my traps up though too. Gosh, it's so slow. They should put a hitchhiker closer to the door, making them like all the way in the back. You have to put a trap here. They don't really have that many points actually. What is kind of good about playing right now though is like I was saying earlier that Asia servers are probably more try-hard, so they're probably like this person's Chinese, I think. Oh. They're running by the blue container up in the front. I don't know where she went. She didn't go to the door. She's somewhere up here in the front. She must be hiding somewhere. Dude, you are so fast. Holy shit. Oh, is she right there? Shit, dude. Dude, this BUBBA is insanely fast. I didn't even get a chance to put my, one's in my trap. I don't know where. I'm still putting the trap down. Jeez, these guys are too fast. They were in the trap by the right gen door. I'm guessing you got bashed or something. I'm gonna reset this trap. That should have done a lot of damage to them though. Okay, these guys are going crazy, so oh. got rid of my trap over here too. Dang, these guys are going crazy. They got gen side open, left door. I'm gonna go check the back. Gen is good on the back doors. So it might be over here somewhere. Jeez, I can't see shit. Yeah, we need blood for Grandpa. Oh, one's on me in the house over here in the building. Oh, he's bleeding out. I got him. Alright, I got him. I was like, this guy's still gotta be in here somewhere. Look at, watch this. Like, dude, that freaking execute, bro. You know what oh wait, they have both doors open in the, what the fuck? The fuck? They don't have the back doors open yet, though. We got some little sneaky sneaks in here, dude. I need my traps, but I can't leave from over here. I'm going slaughterhouse. Oh, Bubba's in the basement. That's not good. Wait. I just heard one healing or something. What the fuck? Just heard one healing or something. Damn. We got split up too much. Don't think there's anyone over here. Behind the door? No. They probably ran back the other way. Yeah, maybe that was just a distraction. I don't know. I mean, I can't really just stay in here the whole time, right? Frick. I need to feed Grandpa. I need to move my traps over here too. They take the battery off. Oh, they also got the fuse open. Damn, this sucks. We need alarms. I wish they would put alarms back for the first Grandpa perk. The traps are good. I really should put traps on these doors, I think. I don't think they're anywhere over here. But if I leave, they just open the doors. Probably should get some more blood is what I should do. Oh, one's in my trap. It's over by the gen side. I killed the Connie. Nice. We did it. It's kind of weird because I think they're like 12 years old. Actually, I don't think they're 12, but... Yes, Anna has a lot of points. Alright, hopefully this is enough for Grandpa. Alright, now these doors have alarms, that's really good. Now we should be able to get them. Oh, they're on Grandpa. It's kind of weird that he perfectly timed that. It's a little sus, I'm not gonna lie, but that's okay. Anna's on me. She's coming over to the battery side. Yes, I'm just standing here. Good job. She's trying to door slam me. She's running back to you. Or nope, no, she did not. She's coming back to you. She's coming to you. Slamming the gate. Go, go, go! Unleash the beast. Did she go down the well? Okay, let's go get her. Actually, I'll shut this door. Yeah, I'll shut that. We shut all the doors and then she can't get out with the alarms. I don't hear my Bubba anymore. Maybe he got her. Shut the doors. Wonder if the sissies shut the ladder door over there. I swear I keep hearing something. Oh, she's coming under Grandpa. She's coming out on Grandpa again. Alright, I'm gonna go get this motherfucker. Where the fuck's she going? She's going between the slaughterhouse doors. She's coming up. Well, ain't you shifty? Slaughterhouse, slaughterhouse. The door was left open. Oh no. I got it, I'll shut it. Question is, did she go to the well? Oh, she's going back to Grandpa. Lol. She jebaited us. Don't kill Grandpa, bro. You poor little thing. She's going down the well in the middle. Go get him. Go get him, Bubba. Unleash the beast. Unleash the beast. Fuck, this is open the whole time. She's going back under Grandpa. This one open too? What the fuck? She's going between the slaughterhouse doors again. Dude, how does that door slam me? Ain't no way. She's coming back up. I hit her 3 times. She should be dead. Shut her out. Okay.